Hello everybody, Welbilt Corporate Chef Ted Speck here. Today we're going to talk about the Convotherm Mini easyStart and press and go in our larger size Convotherm 4 models. The beauty of the easyStart feature is that you're able to do mixed loads. Today we're going to do a complete breakfast. And the oven actually automatically compensates for the level of mixed loading and trays that you have in there. So I'm going to start off by have our breakfast pulled up. So I can press our hash browns. I can select the tray that the hash browns are going to go in, and I'm also going to add a tray of eggs, a tray of toast, and a tray of sausage patties. So then I'm going to utilize our two-stage door, and I'm going to load as it says on the screen. We'll be back in just a few minutes to show you the finished product. So as you can see here, we've had multiple products mixed load in our Convotherm Mini 610 at different times with zero flavor transfer due to the advanced closed system. Compensation features in both the Convotherm 4 and the Mini. You can set custom reusable to however many trays you put in. You can at the beginning of the recipe, the ending of the recipe, and also how long the door stays open. So it's very important depending on the operation. All these features will compensate and add a percentage of time to ensure perfect quality whether or not you put one tray or full load of 4 or 6 trays in. Indicates, tells us what shelf to remove. So as I open it up, now if there were other products in here, what it would do is it would stop the timer for everything else. It would also, once again, compensate as long as this door was open. Just a little example of what can be achieved in our Convotherm combi ovens, whether it's the mini or the full-size line of Convotherm 4s. If you like what you see here and you'd like some more information, please go to comvotherm.com or reach out to your local manufacturer's rep.